The Kenoucle 800-watt HVLP paint sprayer is designed to provide a smooth and professional finish, making it a great tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. With a powerful motor running at 32,000 revolutions per minute, this sprayer ensures efficient and swift application, significantly reducing painting time. Its versatility shines through with 5 different nozzles and 3 spray patterns, allowing for precise control and adaptability to various surfaces and projects. Ease of use is a standout feature, with straightforward assembly and maintenance, complemented by a unique dust blowing and cleaning function to ensure a flawless finish. The comprehensive accessory kit included with the sprayer equips users with all necessary tools for diverse painting tasks, enhancing the overall painting experience. Kenoucle offers reliable customer service, ensuring buyers can easily address any issues or inquiries, adding to the product's appeal and user satisfaction.